Florida woman was arrested after she allegedly got into an argument with her husband and drunkenly shot her pet parrot. A Largo Police Department officer said in an arrest affidavit that Suzanne Mullally, 61, and her husband were both drunk when she shot and killed her African grey bird with a pistol Monday evening at around 5:03 p.m. in their home. When Mullally and the victim, her husband, walked outside, they pushed each other, the arrest affidavit states. The officer wrote that Mullally sprayed the victim's head with water using a spray bottle. While a witness saw the incident happen and filed a written witness statement, Mullally denied committing the crime. She was initially charged with domestic battery. Mullally was ordered not to have any contact with her husband or any animals after she was released from jail on Tuesday.